Welcome, friends! Your favorite degenerates, Krista and Jason, are at it again! Let's celebrate the day!
Hit it.
What's the situation, Degenerate Nation? We're gonna do a new chug by the Leauge of Fire. We're here in South Carolina, sitting down North Carolina. We're in Charleston, and Paul Oro just handed me this. Chug Life, the ginger one.
Chug Life!
A new challenge by Leauge of Fire. It's a one-pointer, supposed to be entry level. It should be fun, so we decided with no prep, just off. Yeah, let's just go ahead and do one.
All right,
let's get the disclaimer out of the way.
All right, so I'm gonna read the disclaimer, guys. Y'all just nod along. That's gonna take care of all of us. All right. I,
Jason the Degenerate.
Jared Smith,
Daniel Samuels. Red Grizzly Griffin.
am over the 18 years of age, of sound mind, and have read and understood the hot sauce product disclaimer on the Leauge of Fire website. In summary, I accept that the Leauge of Fire, their suppliers and manufacturers will, under no circumstances, be responsible for or liable for any claims of injury or damage arising from me consuming this product or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question. All right, pop her open, guys. Popping bottles in the house.
2, 1.
Go, go, go.
Chug it.
Chug, chug, chug.
Woohoo! This is a bad idea.
There you go. I think it's a 2-minute afterburn.
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minute.
You got your timer going?
Everybody down?
I'm done.
I gotta wait 2 minutes just to take the next
Are you
one.
gonna do another one?
You gonna double up?
Yeah.
Double trouble. Double dribble. Double dribble.
Who's got the timer?
I got it right here. Oh, no, that's the wrong one.
Here we go.
Where's my...
Timer.
Little insight. Armpit said, "What's up, boys?"
Here we go.
It tastes like a ginger beer.
Mango, lemon,
flat.
ginger.
Yeah.
Definitely ginger beer, like a spicy ginger beer.
Spicy ginger beer
Yeah,
is
it's
what
not-
it tastes like. Really
The
good.
heat, well, I mean, you know,
Non-carbonated.
I'm standing with some of the
Yeah.
biggest burners in the business, but the heat's not terrible. I would say it's actually a really good entry-level challenge.
Where's the heat hitting you guys?
Right on the tongue, right at a 1.
Yeah, the zing of
Mine
the
is
ginger.
more of just chilling in the chest.
Okay. Chris, where you at?
To me, it's like, I don't know if it's got lime in it.
I feel like
Much
it.
stabilized.
I take citrus.
Okay.
Yep. Well, ingredients.
Yes, this lime juice.
Lime, yeah. I taste the citrus. That's what I got. I think it's more the
Mango juice
citrus.
is in this. That's
I
why
taste
it's got,
the
like,
zing of the
sweet-
Apple
citrus.
juice, mango juice, apple cider, vinegar, water, ginger. What's that? Lemon?
Now, is it building or is it just...
Nah, it's
Lime
it's
juice.
just there.
Up and go down?
lemongrass.
Habanero. Grain
Habanero,
sugar.
grain sugar. Chinese, 5-spice, star anise. Star anise. That was something I could
Peppery,
taste.
yeah. Isn't
So
that
it's
peppery,
just-
black licorice-y?
Yeah, it is.
Where are you guys at? Jared?
Barely a 1.
Yeah.
Didn't,
Like a half.
that didn't move my needle.
Jace?
That was just a pleasant drink.
Okay, so...
But so,
It's like taking
as far
your
as like
first shot.
getting openers and
I
doing,
would sip on this at home over ice.
to do a Leauge of Fire and actually gain a Leauge of Fire point, all you need is 1 point to be in the Leauge of Fire. There's a point.
Entry level.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So is it a challenge that I could handle?
Probably.
Yeah.
100%.
I would say,
We'll
yeah.
have to hit Paul up for some more challenges.
I would have to say it's like jalapeno heat.
Okay, I could probably handle that. We'll see.
Lady
Okay,
Chris
get
could
ready
do
to
this.
chug.
All right.
That's 2 minutes. All right, we got somebody going for
Now?
multiples. Go.
World record holder.
This is the
Round
world
2.
record holder right here. If he gets through this 2-minute afterburn, he'll be the current Leauge of Fire record holder
Hang
on
on,
this
buddy.
challenge.
You got this.
It's still just.
Right?
like
Was it just as tasty?
yeah, I want a gallon now.
Okay, so it's the ginger one. This is supposed to be...
Chug Life.
Chug Life, baby.
Chug Life.
Need that on a shirt.
No.
I mean, I used to.
Chug
I
Life.
chugged a bottle of hot sauce one time. Like just a 5-ounce bottle.
I chugged
Is it getting
a lot of
hotter?
hot sauce.
If there's been any
No, it's still
critique of the
cold.
Leauge of
That
Fire
was
challenges, that for an entry person, they're too much. Right?
This entry
There's
level?
Not, yeah, as far as entry-level challenges in Leauge of Fire, there's not a lot of entry-level
No, there's not. They're
challenges.
just now starting to come around. And I even feel my wife could handle this.
because I was gonna
No problem.
do.
So I think
end up
it's a
doing
good
brownies.
addition to the League of Fire lineup of challenges to have a 1-point challenge that gets you on the board and gets you a place to start out and have a little fun.
Nice.
Well, you're 1 minute into your world record. How do you feel?
Comfortable. I'm actually awake. I'm ready to get some food.
Have you
Whet
been
your
ordering
appetite.
yet?
Yeah, just waiting.
Okay.
But it definitely just tastes like a spicy ginger beer.
Where'd you go,
Like,
Driz?
Nice and
Oh,
sweet
right here.
too, as well.
Well, that doesn't sound like for
Well,
for
I think
such as you,
well,
this is not a big
Yeah,
deal.
these like I said, these are some of the biggest burners around. So,
I
you
mean,
know,
this is comfortable, especially since I took a year-long hiatus from eating super hots.
Okay.
Hey, the side of the
So-
bottle says, "I didn't choose Chug Life. Chug Life chose me." Well, congratulations, new world record holder.
Not yet. He's got 10 seconds.
Oh.
13 seconds. You're gonna make it. 12,
Yeah, I
10,
got
9,
Come on,
8,
you got this.
7,
Don't puke.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Nice. Good job, dude.
Good job. Woo! World records up in this house.
Okay.
Good job, bro.
All
All right,
right.
thanks for joining us. That was fun.
Hi, guys.
So,
Where's the
At
second
new
9:15,
bottle?
challenge. Check it out.
I don't know when I'm gonna have time to prep.
We're gonna go crack
Celebrate the day.
What time do they open?
Wonder
Thanks for watching. Much love to our friends. Be the good in the world. Spread the love and go on an adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe.